the door hinge adjustable. The capacity of this door hinge is 120 kg. It's the three numbers are generally used for the casement door. This 3D hinge you can use in the door profiles. These are the dimension required in the for the hinge. The screw fixing from the require the 4 to 5 mm diameter. How you can adjust this hinge in the door? Horizontally plus and 2 minus 2 mm adjustable. Tolerance is given. Vertical plus minus 5 mm. Ceiling pressure is plus minus 1 mm. And these are the tolerance criteria. And hinges packer included along with it. Packer is also there to adjust this hinge. For the casement doors, tower bolt. This tower bolt is non-Euro groove profiles. The length of this tower bolt and the dia of this tower bolt are coming with the different various variety. This tower bolt code is PL25441. It's coming in the white color, and the bolt bar length is the 350 mm. The full length of this bar is 350 mm, and the cap length. The cap for this tower bolt length is the 30 mm, and the plate width is 20 mm. The full plate width is the 20 mm. Now let's start the pulse UPVC hardware for the sliding windows. So here we can see the whole hardware what we can use for the sliding windows. The first hardware we can use for the sliding window, that is the SPAC. These are the strikers, central strikers. These are the handles what we can use. This is the spagnolatal handle, touch handle, pop-up handle. So here's the three options for the handle what you can use with this in this sliding windows. And these are the rollers. Spagnolatal, this is the spagnolatal or you can say SPAC. Strikers, these are the strikers. Spagnolatal handle, this is the spagnolatal handle. This is the touch lock, this is the pop-up handle, and these are the rollers. So for the sliding windows we require 3 to 4 or 6 hardware. In this handle, in these 3 handles you can choose one hardware. So 1, 2 and 3 is the handle and the 4. So we require 4 hardware for the sliding door or window. So now we can see the handle varieties for the slidings. This is the spagnolatal handle. The dia of this spagnolatal handle is 7 mm. It's helpful with the SPACs. The code stand for this handle is PL50511. It's coming in the white color, and the spindle length is 25. Means the full length of this spindle is 25. Another option with the key. Rest feature are the same, but the thing is cylinder with the key is making difference from PL50511 to PL50521. It's also coming in the white color, and the spindle length is the 25, and the feature is this key is for the security purpose. Now we can see the varieties of spag for the sliding windows. This is the sliding spag. It's coming with the length of 800, 1000, 1200 and 1800, and the backset for the all the length are the same, that is means 7.5. The full length, L stand for the full length. The length we already told, that is the 8 mm, 1000, 1200 and 1800. And rest dimensions according to the spag it will change. For the 800, L1 is the 560. So here you can see this this point to this point, the length of this spag is 560 if the L is the 800. So these are the locking points. For the 1000 it should be 760. When the L is the 1000, this length will be 760. This full length will be 760. When the length is the 1200, the L1 is the 960. The distance from these locking points is the 960, and the 170 is the length from the mid of this slot to up to this first point. This will be 760, 170, sorry. And PL 50881 length, it's consists the length of 1800. The L1, the locking points distance is 1560, and the L2, the distance from this point to mid of this point is the 170. And this slot dia is the 7 mm, means our spagnolateral handle is compatible with this spag. These are the strikers which we always using with the sliding windows. So for the different profiles, we are giving this PL 50921 or PL 50922. This is the PL 50922, what we are using for the sliding windows, and this is the PL 50922. What we are using for the sliding, and it's called as a strikers. This is the strikers, and this quantity of these strikers are depends upon the length of the spag, how much locking points and how much locking spag length it's makes the number of this strikers. This is the pop-up handle. It's using for the sliding windows. The full length of this handle is 141.5, and it's coming in the white color. The spindle length of this pop-up handle is 25. This length of the handle is 25. Touch lock and the crescent lock. This touch lock is also used with the spag, and the full length of this handle is 146, and it's coming in the white and the white color, and this is the steel for the hook for the touch lock. This is one hook will come with the touch lock, that is with the material of steel, and it's coming with the L and R option, left hand side and right hand side. This is the crescent lock hook, and this is also available with the left and right option. And PL 50122 is stand for the crescent lock, or PL 5096 also stand for the crescent lock. So these are the option for the roller sliding windows. PL 50573 is single roller. This is the single roller, and the width of this roller is 16 mm, and the height of this roller is 14 mm. The weight carrying capacity of this roller is 40 kg unit. PL 50574 is the single roller, but the bearing material of this making different from this, and the shape also somewhat different. The width of this roller is 16 and the height is 12.8. The weight carrying capacity is 40 kg. This is the double roller, and the code for this roller is PL 5062. Width is 16 mm, the height is 14 mm, and the weight carrying capacity is 60 kg. Sliding door hardwares. Here you can see the sliding door hardwares. These are the spack, and these are the handles what we are using with this spack, which is compatible with this spack. This is the Mortise Lock or spegnoratal double handle, pop-up handle, and spegnoratal handle with the key. And these are the option for the striker or counterweight, you can say, and the rulers. So here we can see this 6 hard